So I'm liking and reading one of the ways and my question is, why didn't Haley tell Sneeze where her hiding place was? And I think, well, I don't know why, but I think maybe it was because it used to be, she used to have it with her mom, probably because her mom rigged the trap door, so, and it was probably, she thought maybe it was just a place meant for just her and her mom, but her mom passed away, so she died. But then, but now that her mom is dead, maybe she didn't, maybe, but she used just that to remember them, and it was because it was only meant for her and her mom. Maybe, or also I think it could be because she was really mad at Sneeze, kind of mad at Sneeze, and and she was annoyed at Sneeze for the one-on-one ways to bug her parents. Also, I don't think she told him where she was going, because I think she was sad and she just needed a little while. She just needed some time to be just alone time, probably. So, yeah, I think that is why she didn't tell him where her hiding place was. But he figured it out. And he did a good job, too. Okay. I don't have anything else to say, so bye.